In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively dropship on Facebook Marketplace, refining your techniques with updated tips and strategies that will help streamline the process. Let's dive straight in. First things first, we start by heading over to eBay. Go to eBay's website and look towards the upper left corner of the home page. You'll see a sign in button. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. eBay hosts a variety of potential products you can sell, and our example for today will involve a simple product, a student desk. Once logged in, you can start by searching for the product you're interested in selling. Simply type student desk into the search bar, browse through the listings, and select a product that offers good reviews and favorable shipping terms. This is the crucial step of selecting quality products that will be appealing and reliable for your buyers. We'll use one such product from eBay in this tutorial. Having picked your product, the next step involves copying the product title from your chosen eBay listing. Highlight the title and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click and choose Copy from the drop-down menu. Now navigate to Facebook and click on Marketplace on your home page. Marketplace is a platform on Facebook designed for buying and selling products. Once there, you'll want to click on Create New Listing. From the options, decide on Item for Sale, which suits our needs perfectly for listing individual items. Here's where our eBay product title comes in handy again. Paste the copied title into the title section of your new Facebook Marketplace listing. Along with the title, you'll need to add a competitive price. Consider the eBay price, potential shipping costs, and your desired profit margin when setting this price. Next, return to your chosen eBay listing and copy the item's description. Again, a simple Ctrl+C or right-click to copy will do. Paste this description into the Facebook Marketplace description area. Be sure that it accurately and vividly describes the product. Furthermore, you'll want to copy both the brand and the category from eBay. These details should be added to your listing to ensure proper categorization, helping potential buyers find your item easily. Don't forget the visual appeal. Download the product images from eBay and upload them to your Facebook listing. High-quality images are vital as they're often the first impression of your product. Finally, you've added all the necessary details and you're ready to complete the setup. Click Next and then Publish to list your item. Congrats! Your product is live and ready for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Engage with potential buyers promptly to enhance your chances of making fast sales. Happy dropshipping!